Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. I'm Basil, and this is a brand new MateBook X Pro, just announced at Mobile World Congress. We've got our hands on one. We're going to do an unboxing video for you. Before I jump into that, if you're thinking about anything else Mobile Congress related and want to know more, techradar.com is your destination. Right now, let's get inside the box of this incredibly good-looking laptop. Immediately on the front of the box, you can see Huawei MateBook, Intel inside, Dolby Atmos. The sound, the power, it's all a priority here for Huawei. You can see the variant that we've got 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gig SSD storage as well. Let's take a look inside the box because that's pretty much everything of note on the outside. As we lift the lid up, don't know if you can actually make out, but it's actually picking the laptop up for us a little bit, which is a really, really nice touch here. If we peel away the plastic, it reveals the laptop itself. I'm going to lift that up, and you've also got an additional piece of protective plastic. It is a 10-point touch screen display, 91% screen to bezel ratio. Fire that up, put that to one side, and take a look at the rest of the box contents. We have a USB-C cable right there. It's USB-C to USB-C, and we've also separately been given a charging brick. This charging brick is intelligent because it will control power, so it will either charge your smartphone or your laptop, depending on what power requirements it needs. It will adapt things accordingly, so it's safe. That's the message Huawei was trying to get across. Now, there is no pen input on this. That would be the M5 MediaPad Pro that will offer that. So I wonder what else could be in this box. Ah, there you go, a US charging connector as well. But now you probably want to see the main event really, and that is the tablet or the laptop itself. Wow, that screen to bezel ratio is just off the chart. 91% screen going on there. And if we pop down the F6 key, or between the F6 and F7 key, you've got the little camera right there. Pulling in closer so you can see the camera right there. I'd be pretty scared of closing the laptop on the camera. In fact, what happens? Nothing seems to happen when I do that. I didn't hear any scary clicks, clacks, or anything like that. The camera just stays open, and there doesn't seem to be an indent on the screen. So I can close that up and sign in, and bam, back in. It's 7.8 seconds or thereabouts on from cold using the fingerprint scanner. The sound from these two emits treble, whereas down at the base you've got the bass, and that's all down to that Dolby tuning. Left hand side, two USB-C ports, and one of them acts as a display port, so Thunderbolt 3 effectively, and both can enable power. You've also got a 3.5mm headphone jack, while on the other side you have a USB-C for data connection as well. I mean, this thing looks like a beauty. It feels like a beauty in the hand. Really, really nice, pocketable and portable, and it's nice and slender as well. But the real test will be how we find it in real world use. Hopefully you enjoyed that, found it useful if you're thinking about picking a MateBook X Pro up for yourself. If you did, make sure you check out all our Mobile World Congress 2018 coverage. Thanks for watching.